Imagine you're talking to an AI so powerful it can write your next viral video, build detailed strategies, or even act like a consultant, and all from a single prompt. But here's the catch. Most people don't use ChatGPT that way. In 2025, perfecting your prompt is the difference between getting lukewarm responses and jaw-dropping results. Today, I'm going to share the secrets to prompting ChatGPT like a pro. Techniques that are new, powerful, and used by experts right now. Let's begin with role specification. The first thing you must do is tell ChatGPT exactly who it should become. Want insights like a VC investor? Set it. Act as a venture capitalist with 15 years in AI startups. Need marketing copy? Try write like a copywriter specialized in conversion optimization. This simple role assignment triggers the model to pull from its most relevant training data sets. According to the latest reports, using 3-word rule hacks like a role boosts response relevance dramatically. Next, clear context plus constraints. Every great prompt gives background and sets boundaries. Provide any relevant data, past examples, your goals, the audience, tone, length. Use constraints like under 150 words, professional tone, bullet points, or table format. The more precise you are, the fewer reprompts and edits you'll need. Forbes recently emphasized that including output format, examples, and detailed instructions in prompts improves the quality by a wide margin. Then there's chain of thought prompting. This means asking the AI to think step by step, explain its reasoning, or walk through how it arrived at answers. Want it to plan a project? Prompt. List your reasoning step by step, then suggest the final plan. It slows it down, but the answers are deeper, more usable. Recent research confirms users who include reasoning steps get better output, especially for complex tasks like strategy or technical work. Another powerful trick, iterative refinement. Don't expect one prompt to get perfect output. Begin with a draft, ask for critique, then refine. For example, prompt ChatGPT. Write a draft email, then critique it for clarity, tone, and persuasiveness, then produce final version. That feedback loop saves hours compared to rewriting from scratch. One more secret, output templates. When you tell the AI the format you want, table, checklist, summary, bullet list, your results become instantly more usable. If you're drafting content, request headline plus subhead plus call to action. If you're researching, maybe ask for pros, cons, examples, outlook. Always specify format. Don't forget using examples in your prompt. Show the style, tone, or level, or past prompts you liked. If you have a text that matches what you want, include it. That helps the model mirror your voice. Pair that with stating what not to do. Don't use jargon. Avoid fluff. Keep it factual, which guides it away from unwanted styles. Then there's advanced context use. With newer models like GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, you often have big context windows. You can feed in large document excerpts, reference past conversations, upload files, or provide multiple data points. But to get the best, it helps to say whether to use only the provided context, or whether it can bring in its own knowledge. Also, place instructions both at the start and end of prompt when working with large input blocks to guard against drifting. Prompt chaining is another game changer. Break down large tasks into smaller steps with linked prompts. Example: first prompt defines goals, second asks for detailed plan, third for marketing assets, fourth for feedback or refinement. This modular approach reduces overwhelm and keeps output focused. Several expert prompt engineers use this in building content, strategy, or product roadmaps. Let's talk about expert mode prompts. Recently, sources report that specifying an expert role plus requiring clarifying questions before final response greatly improves output. For instance, you can start with, "You are an AI expert. Ask me 3 clarifying questions before providing your final solution." Once you answer, it delivers a more customized, higher quality result. This structure is becoming standard among power users. Also, tone and audience matter a lot. If your audience is beginners, ask for simple language. If they're advanced, you can ask for jargon, technical depth, or assumptions. One prompt tip: avoid cliches, keep it fresh, or use data examples. These small instructions change how polished the content feels. One more tool people overlook: using system messages or custom instructions. Many of the newer models allow you to give system-level instructions or persistent custom instructions, like memory settings, so ChatGPT remembers your preferences, style, tone, length, format. That means your prompts improve over time because the system aligns itself to you. And finally, test, test, test. Good prompting isn't set and forget. Try several versions of the prompt, compare outputs, tweak minor wording, move order of instructions, change role wording. Small differences often yield big differences in output quality. Here are some prompt examples applying all of this. Act as a product strategist with 10 years tech experience. I need a 6-month growth roadmap for a mobile app targeting Gen Z. Ask me 3 questions first to clarify assumptions. Output and bullet list plus timeline. You are a copywriter. Draft 3 subject lines under 45 characters for a cold email campaign to small business owners. Avoid sales jargon. Provide rationale for each. Write a script for a 60-second YouTube short about AI prompt tips, tone, energetic, audience, beginners. Use list format, 5 tips, short sentences. If you use these secrets, role assignment, context plus constraints, reasoning steps, templates and examples, chaining prompts, iterative refining, you'll be prompting ChatGPT like someone who's been doing it for years. Your outputs will be richer, faster, more accurate. If this video taught you something new, make sure to subscribe to future AI news. We uncover all the best AI secrets, trends, and tips to help you stay ahead in 2025 and beyond.